Good morning, students. I'm here with my video of Standard 5th Social Studies. In this video, I'll be telling you all about the Temperate Zone, that is the 7th chapter of your book. In my last video, I explained you about the different temperature zones of the world. The temperature zones, do you know about temperature zones? The temperature zones are determined by the amount of sunlight received by a region. And based on the intensity of heat received from the sun by a particular place, the earth has been divided into 3 temperature or heat zones. Temperature zones are also known as heat zones, and that heat zones are the temperate zone, the torrid zone, the frigid zone. And here in this chapter, you have to read particularly about the temperate zone. What are temperate zones? The temperate zone is divided into two depending on its location, the north temperate zone and the south temperate zone. The temperate zone lies in the temperate region, which is neither too cold nor too hot. This region is located away from the equator between the Tropic of Cancer, that is 23.5 degree north, and the Arctic Circle, that is 66.5 degree north in the northern hemisphere, and the Tropic of Capricorn is 23.5 degrees south, and the Antarctic Circle 66.5 degrees south in the southern hemisphere. These regions are known for their grasslands. Do you know all about grasslands? Grasslands are areas where the vegetations are dominated by grasses, and these are found in the most ecoregion of the earth. Trees and mountains are hardly seen in the grasslands, and these grasslands are known by different names in different countries. The different names of grasslands are the prairies in North America, the steppes in Russia, the pampas in South America, the wells in South Africa, and the downs in Australia. The grasslands of northern hemisphere are different from those in southern hemisphere. While in the northern hemisphere, the grasslands are far more extensive, but in southern hemisphere, due to the narrowness of the temperate portion, the grasslands are rather restricted. In my next video, I'll be teaching about the climate, the human life, and the animal life of temperate zone. That's all. Thank you. Good morning, students. I'm here with my video of Social Studies of Standard 5th. In this video, I'll show you the location of temperate zone on our planet Earth. This is the rough diagram of our planet Earth. Here we can see Arctic Circle, that is 66.5 degree north, Tropic of Cancer, that is 23.5 degree north. This is equator, an imaginary line, that is 0 degree. This is Tropic of Capricorn, that is 23.5 degrees south, Antarctic Circle, that is 66.5 degrees south, 90 degrees south and 90 degree north. This is North Pole and this is South Pole. As I mentioned earlier in my previous video, the temperate zone is one of the heat zone. The temperate zone is divided into two depending on its location. The upper half of the earth's surface, that is upper half from the equator, that is 0 degree, upper half, this portion is known as northern hemisphere, and the lower half of the earth is known as southern hemisphere. The north temperate zone lies between the Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle. This is Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle, not temperate zone. This is not temperate zone. This region is known as not temperate zone. While the south temperate zone lies between Tropic of Capricorn, that is 23.5 degrees south, to Antarctic Circle, that is 66.5 degree south. These zones have moderate climate. These temperate zones have moderate type of climate. That is, it is neither too hot nor too cold. These zones receive slanting rays of the sun and thus are comparatively cooler than the places lying in the torrid zone. They have moderate climate just because they receive slanting rays. If sun rises from here, they receive slanting rays like this. They receive slanting rays. That's why these places are cooler in comparison to torrid zone. That's all. Thank you.